and welcome to iVision on the Road. I am your host, Kera Blades. iVision on the Road is a new television series that features Florida businesses. So whether you're in Miami, Tampa, Fort Lauderdale, or Sarasota, iVision on the Road would love to feature you. This week's featured business is Red Fork Cafe, located in Brandon at 715 West Lumsden Road. We're here with Esther Etienne, the owner of Red Fork Cafe. So thank you very much for having me and iVision TV. First, tell me a little bit about yourself and give me some history on Red Fork Cafe.
First and foremost, thank you so much for coming, Miss Kera.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Red Fork is a family-owned, operated, and we've been open about 6 months. I've been cooking since I was a little girl in my grandma's kitchen, and it's always been a joy for me to cook, to feed other people, and to tell you the truth, that's my passion.
Mm-hmm. And how long have you been here? How long has Red Fork been in existence?
Red Fork been here 6 months. Today make it 6 months.
Oh, okay.
Since we've been open.
And not having any culinary schooling and stuff, how did you come up with the menu?
The menu is, I created this menu. It's a very simple menu, and it's food that I love. Everything on the menu is food that I cook, that I've, cooked in the past for myself, my family, and friends. So that's how I created this menu.
Like, give me some examples. What are on the menu?
On the menu, we have a lot of grill items, such as we have a grilled tilapia, we have grilled chicken, and remember, Kera, everything is made from fresh. Everything is marinated from, with my fresh, I make my own spice, okay. My own dressing. I make everything from scratch here. That's how I cook here.
Oh, okay.
I always say, if somebody care about what they eat, what they put inside of them, if they care about fresh food, this is the place.
Party with us in the positive way.
Loves over there, Danielle, can you put this in the
reggae music make everybody move. Move to your left, move to your right, cause you moving tonight. Are you ready? We don't need nobody's stop.
Here, Danielle.
All you got to get up on your feet and dance, yeah. Oh, no. When that song hits you, you gotta make your move, yeah.
An island mix.
Cause all across the world people are gathering to let the music take control and now they're dancing. Setting their souls free from this cold reality. It doesn't matter who you are because we colorblind. Come along, join the fun and see what you will find.
Is everybody okay? Everybody want something to drink out there? Are we bringing?
It's so easy to do. Somewhere in America, somewhere in Africa.
Is this to go? Okay, you need to bring this food out. This food can stay here. Yeah, but it's already, just bring the food, one kid can start eating. Bring the food down. The french fries are almost ready.
We can't help but be free, we can't help it. We have got to be free, we can't help it. Dance with me, let's be free, we can't help it. We have got to be free, we can't help it. We can't help but be free, we can't help it. We have got to be free, we can't help it. Dance with me, let's be free, dance with me, let's be free, dance with me, let's be free.
Somewhere in America.
This is a Caribbean stir fry, a chicken stir fry. And it's actually chicken breast, it's marinated. And it's a special request by the customer. I don't have this on the menu, but it's a special request. The customer wants the stir fry with white rice stirring together. You know, the white rice will be stirred in the chicken breast. So in a second, okay, it's ready for the white rice. Give me 1 second.
There's a lot of different Caribbean style restaurants in Tampa. What would you say would set yours apart from them?
It's very different here. The reason so is I'm a personal chef to everyone that walks to my door. Everybody that comes in here, you wait while I'm cooking for you. Whereas other place, the food's already, warmer somewhere in the kitchen all day, Whereas when you come here at Red Fork, I go and prepare your meal while you're waiting. So the food is fresh. If you really validate fresh food, that's the place to come.
Okay. What do you serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or how is?
I do lunch and dinner, and I open Monday to Thursday from 12 to 9.
Okay.
On Friday, I close at 10. And Saturdays, I open for dinner only, 6 to 10.
All right.
And Sunday, I closed.
Okay. And is there any like lunch specials, anything like that you offer?
Oh yes, I have what they call Lunch Madness. It's $6.99, and you have 5 meals to choose from. You have a grilled tilapia that's served with rice and beans. It's very, very good. Yes, Miss Kera, you had it. And I have a brown stew chicken. I have a jerk chicken, which I'm very famous for in the Tampa area because I make the best jerk here. Guarantee you, best jerk. And I have a grilled chicken salad, a grilled Caribbean chicken salad. People just love it because everything is marinated.
I also see that you have like conch on there, like the Bahamian conch fritters.
Yes.
So you do have a mixture.
I do have a mixture.
Yeah, and your jerk is served with, is it tostones?
Yes, with plantains.
Yeah.
People call it tostones.
Okay.
Yes, it's green plantains. And you can also have it with rice as well, if you want to. Yeah.
You also have a signature little Caribbean drink that you make.
Yes, it's my signature lemonade. The flavor is basically coconut, cinnamon, and ginger. That's when you taste when you drink that lemonade. It's very flavorful. It's fresh
and healthy.
Yes, and healthy. And it's very, see how Florida is so hot and humid. It's so flavorful and fresh to the soul. It's a nice lemonade for everybody to come here and taste. It's really
Very
nice,
good.
guys.
So if our viewers, would want some information and, find out some more stuff or even view your menu, where should they go?
We are located at 715 West Lumsden Road in Brandon, Florida. We are at the corner of Kings Avenue. And our phone number is 813-685-4290. And you can also check us online at www.redforkcafe.com.
And Facebook.
Facebook, of course.
So thank you very much, Esther. I had an amazing time hanging out with you and learning about you and your cooking from 7 years old.
It's a long time.
Yes,
It's a lot of experience.
very much so. And actually, your passion does show. You can taste it in the food. It's really amazing.
I cook with love. It's a lot of love. When I cook, I put my soul into it. I cook as if I was cooking for my family, at home. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's how I cook here. I cook with a lot of love. It's love in my food, people.
Well, thank you very much for having us. I had an amazing time hanging out with you. And of course, we wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of iVision on the Road with Red Fort Cafe and Esther Etienne. To review a transcript or past transcripts of this show, please visit our website at www.ivisiontv.net. Remember to like us on Facebook at ivisiontv.net and follow us on Twitter at ivisiontv. Thank you again. I am your host, Kera Blades, and you are watching iVision on the Road. See you next time. Bye-bye.